heart beating. These are probably arm buds.
It's the first time Miley and Carter are getting a live look at their soon-to-be little brother or sister. Darla Macy Nicholson is still getting used to the idea she's actually pregnant because she just underwent her first round of in vitro fertilization.
It's something that isn't often talked about because it's a sensitive subject, but once you're in amongst those circles, you start to hear about, just how many people have been through this.
There we go.
The 39-year-old is one of the first patients in Canada to use a new high-tech tool in the world of IVF, time-lapse video monitoring. This means from the time of fertilization, an embryo can be continuously monitored. Up until now, standard practice was a single photo every couple of days.
We get the whole story of this embryo. We get to see the developmental process of the embryo.
It's an astounding look at the very first few days of life, but ultimately scientists now know the process of embryo development can also indicate its viability.
Hopefully help us select what should be the healthiest embryo to hopefully produce the healthiest pregnancy. It allows us to see things that we couldn't see before, which is pretty amazing.
It's like trying to determine who's going to win a marathon from the first few steps of the race.
Again, you can see the inner cell mass.
Dr. Gary Nakuda and other fertility specialists are calling the time-lapse technology a game changer, not just for dramatically increasing the likelihood of a successful pregnancy, but also for research.
We are learning a lot more about the embryos than we knew previously. So in terms of a non-invasive way of assessing the embryos, this is definitely the state of the art.
This is where the embryo divided, the first division of two cells.
There are several different types of machines on the market, and 2 fertility clinics in Vancouver are now using the technology. Depending on the clinic, it could cost up to $1,500 on top of the fees for IVF. Elaine Young, Global News.